Greetings, my name is Daniel Tal, and I hope you're having a good day. This is part 2 of the Straylines tutorial. It's also an advanced workflow tutorial that has to do with terrain modeling, and I'm going to do more terrain modeling videos down the line. This extension is Soap, Skin, and Bubble, and it works really well with Straylines to create grading in terrain, and I'll show you how to do that. This extension is available for free on the extension warehouse. So I'm going to go to my SketchUp model, and I have a location here where it requires grading. I'm grading this model in as I go along, and as I go along into this model, I'm using this method of using soap skin along with Straylines to create terrain in here and really creating some nice clean terrain. In this case, I have a group in here that's this profile or edges that forms the terrain model that I want to include in here. And in order to make this work with Soap, Skin, Bubble, this needs to be a completely enclosed loop. Now this particular edge is just there as a reference edge, so I can quickly select it. As you can see, it's right there. Otherwise, it becomes impossible to select the edges that are part of or along other geometry, as SketchUp would rather select the face first. So here we have it. I'm going to delete this edge because I want to do soap skin, and I'm going to select this, and I'm going to click Make Soap Skin, and it's going to say, you must select 3 or more edges in a closed loop. Well, how are you supposed to find that along here is challenging. But with Straylines, select it, extensions, Straylines label. Remember Straylines I talk about in part 1 of this, and it shows me, oh, there's a gap there. I'm going to select that, I'm going to delete that gap. I'm going to go back out here. I'm going to triple click on this, I'm going to click on soap skin. It's going to ask me at the bottom right, you can see down here it says division. I want a nice terrain, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to set this to 50 and hit enter. Then to make it work, you actually have to hit enter again, so hit enter twice, and it will contort the terrain into place. I'm going to give this some color here. That's the wrong one. And there is the terrain fitting nicely. Now what I really needed to do was put some profiles back here to make this more of a retaining wall. But this is okay, you get the idea of how this works and what to do with Straylines. As it comes to this simple technique, look for more terrain modeling tips down the road. Guarantee those will be useful as well. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe and share them. That would be greatly appreciated, trying to build up some traffic. And let us know in the comments if there's any things that you'd like us to do a tutorial about. Thank you very much, and have a good rest of your day.